Hi guys, we're here at 5123 White Oak Lane in Tamarack. This is one amazing house. They're asking for $1.48 million. It's 7,744 square foot. The lot here is 7,800 square foot lot. 7 bedrooms, 7 bath and a half. Everything is very solid, very high quality. We're gonna go in now. So on the right side, we're gonna have the kitchen. This is the dining area. Again, high ceiling, you can see the hood here. So it's a very commercial hood. There is also an outdoor hood for the barbecue area. It goes all to one section in the roof. Here 2 bedrooms. So this is 1 bedroom that doesn't really have closet space. Then we can go from here to the other bedroom. There is also a hallway entrance. A lot of storage spaces here. Do some separations here. This is the garage. It's again 3-car garage, also exit to the outside. Now we're gonna go to the other side of the house. This is a family room. Bar area. That's a must for a house like that. That's the main living room. It has closet spaces. It's the entrance to the master bedroom. The master bedroom. So this is hers and his. So this is hers. Very nice bathroom. Two showers. You can also add like a section for kids. And this is the master bedroom. The house is huge, has a lot of sections. The hot tub, again, it's a huge hot tub. And the pool. The pool is heated, it's not salted. Restrooms, more storage. So we're gonna go now to the tennis court. The tennis court, it was just resurfaced recently. The house definitely has a feeling like it's its own resort right here in Tamarack. I'm gonna go back now to the house. This is a gym. We have here another full bathroom. We're gonna have another bedroom. And now we're gonna go to the outside, the other section. And this is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. The lake here has some animals like turtles, fish. Very relaxing. And everything is completely private. And again, this is the house on the back side of it. So right here it's gonna be the 3-car garage, another entrance to the facility. So that's about it.